Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at VidMoto. Now this is a cloud-based web application that uses artificial intelligence-based video maker platform to turn any of your old boring videos into dynamic and high converting brand new breathtaking videos. And with this application guys, you'd be able to rate TikTok videos, Facebook video ads, meme videos, you know sub video with subtitle. Now if you guys purchase the content of this, you'll be able to get access to to artificial intelligence based automatic sound wave generator. I'm going to show you that demo later in this video. And then this also comes with um, voice to subtitle generator. So you have this voice over, and the software will automatically generate a subtitle into your video. And then you get access to this 100 plus high quality ready to use template. There's also a built-in image to text, right? Your image will convert it into a sketch, right? Image to sketch generator tool. There's also an inbuilt photo background removal feature, you know searchable stack assets as well. Voice over generator, which is, I think this is a text to speech software. And then social sharing features. If you wanted to share your videos directly inside of your account inside of VidMoto, you can also do that. Comes with commercial license. There's no limitation for this, and you can sell unlimited video sales letter and video and any kind of videos to make money, right? You can also sell this to freelancers, to local businesses, or to freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, or people per hour. All right, there's a lot of freelance marketplaces out there. All right, guys. Now, before I'm gonna show you the demo of this, let me show you first my bonuses. That way, you can get great result with VidMoto and get additional value if you wanted to pick it up using my link down in the description of this video. My first bonus for you guys is I'm gonna give you access to viral vidly. My second bonus for you guys is I'm gonna give you access to VidAmazon. Now this is a cloud-based web application that gonna allow you to turn any Amazon products into video. You can use those videos to upload in your YouTube channel, or you can also sell those kind of videos. Bonus number three, guys, I'm gonna give you access to voice or text to speech. Now you can, inside of VidVoice, should be able to edit videos, and you can also upload audios. Now this is just an option if you wanted to generate an additional audio using this premium text to speech right here. You can also do that. Bonus number four, guys, I'm gonna give you access to 1 million premium stack videos and animated graphics. Right now, you can use this. You can create your own videos and import this inside of your VidMoto. Right, you can use this unlimited right here, and there's no limit for this text to speech voice that you're getting access as well. And this one, right? So all these bonuses, guys, is waiting for you inside of your Warrior Plus account. And the last one is all vendor bonuses, right? Now again, this document is waiting for you inside of your Warrior Plus account after your purchase of VidMoto, when you guys use my link down in the description of this video. All right, now when you click that link, guys, again, this will take you to a sales page that looks something like this. The headline says turn your old boring videos into a brand new breathtaking videos. Again, you can create unlimited videos, unlimited motion and unlimited high quality videos to your clients with commercial license included. Right now, um, you watch this video right here, guys. That way you can have an informed decision of this, something that can really help you guys out. Read the information of the sales page, and don't worry about your investment, guys, because this comes with 30 days money back guarantee. And if you don't like the product, you can just refund your money and still be able to get um, access to all of my bonuses completely for free when you guys use my link to purchase VidMoto. Now, you can get an additional discount of this, guys, when you guys try to exit this page. There will be a pop-up, right, giving you an additional um, discount when you try to exit this page. I think that would be a $3 discount. Let me try to find that. Let me try to find that coupon for you guys. That way you can, yeah, use this coupon right here, which is VidMoto3. That way you can get an additional, $3 discount, right? Now again, guys, this your investment is protected by a 30 days money back guarantee. Now let me show you what are the samples of the videos that you can create with VidMoto, right? So right here is the sound wave generator right here. You can create this kind of sound wave right here, and this is the subtitle right here. This is awesome, guys. This kind of videos is trending on social media places, especially on TikTok, and you can do that. You can use this VidModo to generate this kind of video. Uh, Here another example of different style sound wave, and this automated subtitle from the audio uh, generated in the video, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna play this video, that way you can have an improvisation of something that can really help you guys out. I'm gonna play this demo video. You can just basically check out the source pages and watch these sample videos right here. There are sample animated videos right here that you can watch. That way you can have an informed decision if you need to purchase this or not, right? But basically, guys, this is really useful and helpful for you guys, especially when you're creating content. You're selling. You can also sell this to Fiverr, to freelance marketplaces, or to your clients, or to your local businesses as well, right? Yeah, and you can also use this kind of videos to promote product, um, to promote different products from different marketplaces like Clickbank, JVZoo, and Wario Plus. This kind of videos, guys, is really trending on TikTok, and you can make money with this kind of videos by monetizing these videos through your affiliate offers. All right. So I'm gonna play this video, guys, and have an informed decision if it's something that can really help you guys out. Thank you so much for watching this review, and I hope to see you in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Bye.